Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 20th of June 2024. The day is Wednesday, and I'm Dukas Copy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy because I'm not their employee. Therefore, all the trading ideas or the views that I'm going to discuss or the trading opinions that I'm going to discuss here are of my own. They are not coming from the Lucas Copy Bank's research team. Okay, so please understand that I'm only using their YouTube platform to showcase my abilities or my analysis. I have no connection whatsoever with Lucas Copy, except I'm just a member of the trading community. That's all. So guys, this is one thing. Second is what we are going to do in this webinar for next 10 to 15 minutes. Well, the intention is to find out the key levels for all the pairs that we discuss. Because why I'm saying pairs, not instrument, because generally we are going to discuss about the major forex pairs, and of course we'll be discussing some instruments also, like Bitcoin against US dollar, then the Brent and all. Please be here with me for next 10 to 15 minutes, in which I will be telling you the key levels on the basis of the daily charts. What are the key levels of importance for all the instruments that we see, and how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. This is the intention of this webinar. Okay, at the end of the webinar I'll be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask your questions in the chat and I'll be very happy to answer all of your questions and queries. Okay, before I start, I must tell you that this webinar is not a trading advice. It can be seen for entertainment, for information, for sharpening your edges, but please do your own research before you start doing it in the real trading platform. Okay, now once I show you the charts, before that I must show you the risk that is associated if you trade the forex. Please understand the risk that is involved. You can pause the video here if you want, and then proceed to the charts only when you are done here. All right, right now on your screen is the daily chart of the US dollar index. I'm sorry, this is 4 hour, but this is the daily chart of the US dollar index. If yesterday somebody was there with me in the webinar, he must know already that we were discussing this matter, that although the price is trying to go lower, but eventually it will go higher. This is what we discussed, because we know that the market structure is broken on the daily chart. Look at this high. This high was formed before the price made a new low. After making a new low, the price made a new high, which is higher than the previous high. So market structure got shifted. So price made a low, which was direct in contact with the order block. I cannot teach you order block here, but yes, this is something related to order blocks. From here, the price was bought back, closed here, then made almost to the close, actually made higher than the open, then closed the day below the open. Following day, the price went higher, made a swing, then it made a swing below, and now it is going to check this swing. So ideally, you can say that the price is going to test this high, followed by most probably 105.61, because the market structure is upward structure now. Okay, coming to the 4 hour, we have discussed this. As soon as the price breaks above this falling uh, uh, channel, we can look for the buying opportunities. What will be the target? The target will be this high. So yes, we are targeting not that high, actually we are targeting this high. This is 105.41. all right, after this we will be targeting 105.61. This is based on the 4 hour, and that is based on the 1 day. Actually this is also daily resistance. You can see 105.61. so you got the idea now. We are buyers in this market, and we are buying with the target of 105.61 and of course 105.41 on the 4 hour basis. If the price trades above 105.61, then the level of 106.35 will be exposed. Although we are looking for the higher prices, which are of the range of 107.03 in this market. I hope this is understood. So now next comes the pound against the dollar. We were going to sell this market at around 61.8% retracement, 1.2782, but the price never got there. That means the aggressive selling is taking place. Now, any trade below 1.2643 will open the way for the lower prices of 1.2445, which I am expecting in this market because of the US dollar rising and continuously rising basically. So the pound is expected to fall to the level of 1.2445. Will it happen? We are not sure. But yes, if the price trades below 1.2643, this low of 1.2445 will be exposed. So we'll be looking for the selling opportunities only below 1.2643, because right now it is not good idea to sell this market because the support is very close. All right, this is one. So when you will stop looking for selling opportunities, when you will stop, if the price makes lower low than this candle here, then this will become a valid high. Although right now the valid high is very high, around 1.2860, but as soon as the price makes another low lower than this, then between these, oh I'm sorry, then between these two lows, one is this one, whichever it will make, which is the highest high. So this becomes your lower high like this. Since the price has not made a lower low, so this is not a valid high. Right now the valid high is 1.2860. So when we will start looking for the selling opportunities, we are already looking for the selling opportunities, but right now selling close to this support is not a good idea. So we'll again look for selling opportunities if the price gives a clean close below this and comes for a retest, where we will again start looking for the selling opportunities somewhere here with a target of 1.2445. I hope it is understood. Talking about the euro, something similar is expected in euro. Although this is 1 hour, I think I told you that while this channel is intact, when it breaks, you can look for the selling opportunities. Had you seen this or operated on this, you would have made profits. But I'm not expecting you to make profits here because we were looking for at least 61% retracement from this fall to this level before we look for the selling opportunities. So it's okay. It is very eager to go down. What is Australian dollar doing, guys? Australian dollar is still in that, you can say, what we call it? Consolidation. Now the price is consolidating, but the overall market structure is upward here. If you go to the monthly or weekly, you will come to know that the market is rising here, and we are looking for the buying opportunities only. Now the problem here is that, okay, if I remove everything else from the top down analysis, you will see that the price has made a lowest low here, then it has made a highest high here. Okay, thereafter it is only consolidating. If you look carefully, it is only making lower highs, it is only making higher lows, it is making lower highs, then it is making higher lows. You see, this is what exactly is happening. So I will say that the range is shrinking month by month. This range is shrinking. Now if I switch to weekly, then the weekly range is from 0.6362 up to 0.6900 approximately. Okay, if I just remove that upper one, then it is 0.6871. So yes, the price has hit the upper level. Now it has gone to the lower level. Now I'm expecting it to hit the upper level or a little lower than that, but it has to break higher than these highs. So when I switch to daily, I know a weekly bias. So on the daily, I'm looking for the price to reach higher. So reach higher means where? This high is to be taken out 0.6714. If that high is to be taken out, the price has to find support somewhere. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, I see that the price is trying to go higher, but is being met with the resistance over here. So I draw my Fibonacci tool. Tomorrow is Friday. So I'm expecting the price to come down to 61.8%, which is 0.6621. When it does, I buy this market with the hope that it breaks above 0.6714 and reach for 0.6871. This is what my expectation is. So you can do a top-down analysis like that, but do not sell this market. Look for buying opportunities only because the price is expected to rise. This is simple, guys. Okay. New Zealand dollar is in the similar fashion doing the same thing. So don't look for the selling opportunities, but instead I am thinking that the price may dip towards this order block, that is around 0.6063 level. Okay, the price may dip to this level before rising. There is a fair value gap also, there's an order block. This is the perfect condition for buying opportunity. Right now I'm not interested in buying right now, no, because the price needs to dip to 62% before we see a buying emerging here. So that is what my intention is. The upside target will be of course 0.6222 as the first target. I hope you get it. USDCHF. This is a selling market. You might be thinking, oh, the US dollar is rising, so I will start buying this market. No, don't do it. Okay. If you are looking for a buying opportunity, look for only above 0.8993. Let it go above that. In that case, you will be looking for a buying opportunity like this. Okay. So let it close, let it show strength above this level of 0.8993, and then look for the buying opportunity with the target of 0.9159, because in this case it can go rise till here and then get shorted here and then go to 0.8730. Okay, so you do not buy this market until and unless you see a clean close above 0.8993. Till the time it doesn't happen, do not buy. Okay. USD CAD. I think I have shown you that there is an urgency from the USD CAD side to go to the downside, but I'm looking for a buying opportunity and I'll buy only if these channels are violated on the 1 hour or on the 30 minutes or on the 4 hour time frame, whatever. I need these channels to be violated for me to become buyer, which is not happening anytime soon. So I'm not buying this market. Selling this market, I'm not selling also. Why I'm not selling? Because the market structure is bullish. Since the market structure is bullish and this is consolidation, so I'm expecting a buying in this one, which may emerge anytime soon. USDJPY breakout, a clean breakout, but will it extend? I don't know. Well, 160.20 is the resistance. We'll see what happens there, but right now it looks like yes, this is a good market sustaining at the highs, but till the time it doesn't break above 160.20, I'm not interested in buying this market. New Zealand CAD, finally a breakdown. Yesterday we have talked about this, that there's a bearish market structure break, and now the price made a pin bar bullish, then there was an inside bar. Today it seems like it is breaking down. So if it is breaking down, the first target is 0.8339, thereafter 0.8297, and thereafter 0.8201. New Zealand CAD, this is simple and easy. Bitcoin, well, we talked about this also. Breakdown from 66,335, breakdown, closing, retest, boom. So what are you expecting on this? Well, 60,241 is on my chart, open and exposed. On the upside, any close above 66,335 will actually expect the buyers to emerge, although this is the recent high that the price has made. So 67,318 is the stiff resistance, I will say. Okay, so what about the Brent, guys? We have talked about Brent also, although we have seen this red candle yesterday, but we said that somehow the price may be able to manage to reach 62%. If that happens, we'll be selling this market, in a lump sum, or you say with the full fledged. I will be looking for the selling to emerge, not exactly at 61%, not like this. I'm expecting the price to reach above 61% and then the selling to emerge. So this is what I'm expecting. All right, this is what I'm expecting on the Brent. This is what I'm expecting. This is not what I'm expecting. All right. So what is the intention? The intention is to sell the market above 86.31 and look for a potential profit of 76.366. Gold finally trying to break out from the channel. If it closes higher, then 2388 will be open. Above 2388, this price of 2450 will be exposed. So keep that also in mind. Nikkei tried to rise, failed to rise, is trying to make a swing high here. If it fails to close higher than this swing high, I think tomorrow or day after we can see further selling emerging in the Japanese index, and the prices may be extended till 36,693. This is my expectation. I'm not looking for the higher prices here because this bullish pin bar should have asked for more buying like this, but it never happened, and the price is trying to reach for the lower ends. So any break below 37,953 will open the way for 36,690. Euro JPY, although it is going on the higher ends, I am not buying this market because this is in a big consolidation. When till the time the consolidation is not clear, we should not be looking for any opportunity. So my cross will stay intact, and I am not looking for any opportunity in this one. GBP I'm looking for a buying opportunity at these lows, and the price has entered the bullish order block. In fact, in this fair value gap also, bullish order block also has been tested. You can see these levels are tested. No, the price was still higher. So these levels are coming at around 1.8997 level. So if that is tested, thereafter I will be looking for the buying opportunity. Right now it is in the fair value gap, higher end of the fair value gap. And yes, there is some buying, at least on the 1 hour I will see. Yes, on the 1 hour you can see there is some buying, but this is not that brisk buying which will break the market structure. So let's see how the things unfold tomorrow or maybe day after. Right now it looks like that there is a buying, but this is not very swift buying. You want swift buying like this, swift selling, okay, because that is not emerging. So I'm not buying this market right now, although I'm expecting the buying to emerge in this area, in this zone around 1.8997 area. I'm expecting the buying to emerge. So CHF JPY, when everything is rising against the Japanese yen, you see, when everything else is rising against the Japanese yen, see, CHF is falling. What is it indicating? Is it overbought, or the Swiss franc is, you can say, weaker than the Japanese yen? Yes, the Swiss franc is finally becoming weaker. Now if you go to the monthly, you will see that this price we have never seen. So if there is a weakness at the higher levels, what does it mean? It means that it will come to the place where, from where there was a strength. So where from was the strength? 173.19, and thereafter this low of 174.61. So expect 174.61 to give some support to the price. If that doesn't happen, then the price may revert back to 173.19, and in case that also doesn't provide the strength to the market, then the price may revert to 170.80, and if not that, then it will be 167.30. If not that, then the final level is 166.56. So all this is possible provided the price breaks below 174.61. So that's all guys from my side. Okay, sorry, Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar is there. The price went higher, failed to close above. So will it be like more selling on the line? Yes, it is possible, guys. It is very much possible that the selling will emerge again. But right now we can say the market structure is broken. Any low should be seen as a buying opportunity, although there are the order blocks here. 1.0792 area is an order block. Expect the price to come down like this and then rise again. So this area may become your area of interest. So keep okay, although you can also draw the Fibonacci retracement and expect the 62% of this rise to be your area of interest, which is also in line with that. Okay, so I think this is a very good opportunity for those who want to long. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And if no questions, then I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.